Hello friends, once again welcome on my channel Raj Grammar Center. You might have seen my previous video based on the types of sentences where I clarified all different types of sentences. This video is based on the transformation of sentences. If you know very well the types of sentences, then you can complete this interchange part, and for that one again I'm requesting you have to watch my previous video also where I clarified the types of sentences. And second thing is, if you are new not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, like the video, share with your friends and write your valuable comment. Now come to the topic. Already you are seeing here I have written on the just title transformation of sentences. Here the affirmative and negative, assertive, interrogative, assertive and exclamatory. Already what I mean by affirmative, negative, assertive, exclamatory, all these things you know very well if you have watched my previous video. Now come to the main part. Yeah, that is the transformation of sentences. Yeah, first thing is here the first one which I am taking, affirmative to negative and vice versa. Vice versa means negative to affirmative, opposite of that one. In this one not totally three parts are there, remember it, affirmative to negative and vice versa. Second will be the assertive. Assertive means you know very well, either affirmative or negative. Assertive to interrogative. And third part will be there, assertive to exclamatory and vice versa. Now see the first, affirmative to negative and vice versa. First, what important thing will you keep in mind? Sentences are transferred without changing the meaning. Please keep in mind this point. Meaning should not change. If I am saying he is a good boy, and again I'm transforming and saying he is not a good boy, sorry, it is a negative sentence, but that is not a transformation. So that thing you have to keep in mind, that meaning should not change. Saying he is a good boy means he is not a bad boy. That is the answer. Not a he is not a good boy. That is totally wrong. Now see the note I have written, try to get the exact opposite word. Whenever you are changing from affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative, you have to keep in mind especially that try to find out the opposite word. If you are getting that one, obviously you might get the answer. See the example. I shall always remember you. I have written here the make negative, make affirmative just for clarification. Otherwise already our title is the affirmative negative, you can understand it. I shall always remember you. See here the first example. What is written here? Try to find out the opposite word of these two things, always and remember. Okay, and what is here? I shall always remember you. Here, always and remember, both words opposite find out. So what is it? I shall never forget you. So by this way I made negative this one. Second, I left no work unfinished. Here is what? I left and unfinished. Find out the opposite word. So here the unfinished opposite finished. I finished every work. Here the left no work or the every work. Third one, he is an irregular student in the class. Here, irregular here, adjective. Now try to find out the opposite word of this one. He, and what I am saying, meaning should not change. If anyone is writing he is not an irregular student in the class, 100% wrong. What is here? You have to take about the meaning. Meaning should not change. You have to find out the opposite word. He is an irregular student in the class. And what is the answer? He is not a regular. Not a regular means irregular. Like I gave example starting, he is a good boy. He is not a bad boy. That is the answer. Not a, he is not a good boy. So this is the major difference between the types of sentences and transformation of sentence. Whenever you are transferring, you have to change the sentence without changing the meaning. Only this thing you have to keep in your mind. Yeah. See some more examples I am giving you. See on the screen. Never tell a lie. What is it? Always speak the truth. Lie, opposite. Never, opposite, always. I am very tired. I am not a little tired. So here the same formula which I gave you, try to find out the opposite word. Like here I use lie, truth, neighbor, always, I am very tired, not a little. I couldn't fulfill your wish. Here the I failed to fulfill your wish. Everyone found the play interesting. Here everyone opposite, no one. Found the play, here the interesting, uninteresting. Nothing seemed to be abnormal. Nothing seemed to be abnormal. What is the nothing opposite? Everything seemed to be normal. So this way you have to remember one thing for this part, that don't change the meaning of the sentence, and second thing, try to find out the opposite words. If you are getting that one, obviously you might get a answer. Yeah. See the next one, assertive to interrogative and vice versa. In paper I said you mostly these three types they ask. Whenever I am talking about assertive means both will come. If I am splitting that, the affirmative negative. Affirmative, assertive is nothing different. Assertive means either affirmative or negative. Already we clarified that part first one. Now come to the interrogative. In paper they will never ask you like this way, make affirmative to interrogative, no. Combined negative to interrogative, no. The combined part will come. Assertive to interrogative. So remember one thing. Assertive interrogative means what will come? Listen, interrogative means the question mark will be there. That you keep in mind. Assertive means full stop, interrogative question mark will be there. If you might have seen my video on question tag, already whatever I taught earlier, now same thing is here also. Try to understand that concept. If the sentence is positive, I am teaching in mathematical way, then interrogative sentence will be negative. Sentence positive, interrogative negative. And if the sentence is negative, interrogative positive. That thing keep in mind. And if an interrogative form has been used for the sake of emphasis, then it can be changed into assertive form. Emphasis means we are showing the importance. Everywhere we can't change into interrogative. From interrogative to assertive we can't do it. Like someone is saying, may I come in, sir? How will you change into assertive? Not possible. So everywhere it is not possible. What I am saying, for the sake of emphasis, like some other rhetorical question also might be there. Yeah, so what I am saying that it must show the importance. Now see the examples. Yeah, see the first. No one can tolerate this. Yes, here showing emphasis, importance, like the rhetorical question, keep in mind, where we know very well the answer. No one can tolerate this. What is the can anyone tolerate this? See carefully. Here is what the first sentence, that is what here. Here it was the assertive sentence. No one can tolerate. Negative, I gave you the formula, positive, negative, negative, positive. That thing keep in mind for interrogative part. So no one can tolerate this means what the interrogative you are making. So first interrogative formula, if you have seen my previous video, what is the structure of that one? First auxiliary verb, then subject. Assertive sentence, first subject, then auxiliary verb. That thing keep in mind. So can is the auxiliary, model auxiliary. Auxiliary here is the can anyone tolerate this? Means no one can tolerate this. Second is the who doesn't know you. Everyone knows you. Here the who doesn't know you means all people know you, everyone know you. Shall I ever forget his kindness? See, shall I ever forget his kindness? Here is what? See the interrogative sentence, it is showing positive, yeah, positive, it is the positive statement showing. Then see that whenever you are changing into assertive, what will happen? It will become negative. Shall I ever forget means I shall never forget this kindness. This way you have to change the sentence. Some more examples are there, I am showing you. Yeah. See on the screen. Yeah. Milton was a great poet. Positive. And you are here you have to make interrogative, because both parts we are taking this one. I have written already that assertive to interrogative and vice versa. So was Milton not a great poet? If anyone is writing, was Milton a great poet? Sorry, it is wrong. Milton was a great poet. So here what will you do? You have to, that is, was first auxiliary verb will come. Was Milton, not will come, because without that your meaning will change. Be careful. Who would not like to be great? Who would not like to be great? See, that's like you are asking someone this question. Everyone would like to be great. Does anyone worship the setting sun? Means no one worship the setting sun. Why don't you keep quiet? You should keep quiet. See, very interesting. Should I used here? You will think that how should came. Yes, you can add some word, but meaning should not change. Why don't you keep quiet? You should or you must keep quiet. Must also you can use. Grammar, lot of possibilities are there. You can never forget her. Interrogative, so what will come first? That is the auxiliary verb. Can, then subject. Can you ever forget her? Try to understand. Here the never was there, negatives. Therefore I use here the next the interrogative will be positive. Can you ever forget her? Yeah. Now that the last part is remaining. That is the assertive to exclamatory. Already exclamatory you know very well. What mean by exclamatory? You might have seen my types of sentences video where the sudden feelings are there, emotions are there. So you have to, in your sentence, that type of emotion should be created, that should be presented. Now see, the meaning and tense should not change. Very important point here. Meaning and tense should not change in this one. And now I have highlighted both separately. See the note part, first point is here what, then the second part. Now see carefully. Try to understand this part, then we'll go to the examples. See, to make assertive, we use adverbs like so or very or to or really or indeed or truly, etc. To make assertive, don't be confused. Second is the to make exclamatory, what do we do? See, if sentence is having very, whenever you are converting into exclamatory form, if the where is there, then we begin with the how. And if where is not there, we use what. Only for exclamatory. But whenever if some time from exclamatory to assertive we are changing, we use sometime this very also if the how is not there. But whenever you are making exclamatory, on that time be careful. I said to grammar now many options are there, possibilities are there. You will think that yes, my teacher taught in that way, in this book this written in this way, that way. Sorry, I said that for any question, two different type, three different type answers might be possible in grammar. Now come to the examples. Yeah, see the first. See the first example, that is the, yeah, what a lovely flower. See, what a lovely flower. Yes, it is showing the sudden feeling emotion. Yes, exclamatory sentence, you are making assertive. Assertive means what will come? First subject, be careful. That it is a very lovely flower. Here what I used here, see, what a lovely flower, it is a very. Here what I said earlier that if where is there, use the how. But whenever we are changing an assertive now, we can use that. Both are okay. But whenever you are making exclamatory, be careful. How will use or what will use. So it is very lovely flower. How very I used, already I said starting. We have to, you have to add these adverbs. It is a very lovely flower. Second example, that is the painting is very beautiful. Make exclamatory. First one was make assertive, this one is make exclamatory. How beautiful the painting is. So here I use very is there, we are using how. See here, nice. How beautiful the painting is. Mostly as auxiliary verb we use in last, be careful. And then this exclamatory mark should be there. So how will you remember this part here? First thing is here, to make assertive use these words. Make exclamatory, if the where is there, use how or use what. And then last what times for exclamatory sentence framing, exclamatory marks should be there. You decide what will come or how will come. Then second thing is there, that if you are making assertive, don't forget that first there should be subject. See what I've written here, it, the painting. So that formula keep in your mind. Now see some more examples are there. Yeah. What pleasant day it was. It was indeed a pleasant day. See, indeed word how came? I said you can use these adverbs. Yeah, it was really a pleasant day. You can speak, no problem. Bro, you have done well. See, these exclamatory terms are here. See, bro. This one, bro, is showing the feeling of what? Praise, bravery. It is the matter of praise that you have done well. See, it is the matter of praise. Just some extra terms you can use, but the meaning should not change. That I said is starting. Alas, the great leader has departed. See, it is showing the sad feeling. So what I used here, it is sad that the great leader has departed. Next, he was the overall commander. What an overall commander he was. The last, the auxiliary verb. It is a horrible night. Here it is a horrible night. What a horrible night it is. Okay. So this way you have to transfer the sentences of different types. So mainly these questions come in paper, especially for transformation. Later I'll teach you how to change from simple to compound, compound to complex. That is a different video will be there. But here is the normally I taught about this starting types of sentences, and there you have to keep in mind that the first one, that what I taught you, affirmative and negative. Remember opposite words. Second interrogative, assertive interrogative. What will you do? You have to remember that interrogative first auxiliary verb should be there, and positive, negative, positive. Exclamatory, what will you do? In exclamatory sentences, that feeling should come and the tense don't change. That is very important. And how to use vary, all these things already I clarified. I think now all doubts are clear regarding this one. So you have to now wait for my next video, which I will make very soon about any other topic also. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please kindly subscribe it, like the video, share with your friends, and make your valuable comment. Thank you.